I'm going to create an insertion mechanism using a design from the Atlas of the Four Bar Linkage. And this design, you see, depends on finding a coupler curve which has a point which we can use for the point of insertion. So first we need to find the parameters of a linkage which has a coupler curve with that kind of shape. Here we find one which has a sharp point right here. And we will model that in GXWeb. Well, first we need to know the parameters of the four-bar linkage so that we can set that in GXWeb. We see the parameters are D, E, F, and B, and the numeric values of those parameters are given in the little table on the page in question. So in GXWeb, we'll sketch our four-bar linkage, and we'll give symbolic values D, C, F, and B. Now, they will have picked up numeric values from the sketch. They won't be the ones that we want, but we can alter them here. D needs to be 1, C needs to be 1.5, and B and F want to be 4.5. Now we'll put an angle theta to drive our mechanism. And we need to create our coupler point. We'll put a point out here that lies on the link C. And we'll create a point perpendicular to that by a particular distance. And we'll specify the distance between C and D. So there is a coupler curve. It's pretty close to what we want. But we can alter these two parameters, E and A, just by dragging. We free them up in our numeric panel and then drag them around until we get the kind of point that we'd like. Now, in order to see the part that has been inserted, we'll create a little arrow here, specify that its angle stays constant and its length also stays constant. And we can watch the way that part is manipulated through the motion of the linkage.